Yeah, hello, hello. Today we're unboxing a package from Minion Kevin. Yeah, it's kind of a surprise of what I'm gonna getting. She gave me a really good discount because I'm that long returning customer, and I think it's been a while since I originally started this. I think I started getting this. Yeah, I started ordering this in October 1st. Yeah, and now I just received it now. I just received it. It's definitely been a while. Yeah. Um, I have three surprise boxes. I got one of each of the surprise boxes, and we'll see what I get here. And yeah, she even paid for shipping. Whoa! I mean, she even paid for shipping for me, free shipping, and with well, I think I paid part of the shipping. I don't know. And then she did tracking too. What? You don't need tracking. Whatever. We got the classic. We got the Karambit out here. Let's try not to spill this water. I'm just gonna. I don't wanna poke too much. Okay, I see some pens in here. Okay. Bam. What is it? Oh gosh. I should not have done this on my keyboard. Well, alrighty, alrighty. Let us. What? We got some caps. Well, what are the mystery boxes about again? What? So I'm supposed to expect a grip mystery box, a tip mystery box, and a random item surprise box. Okay. This is some back plugs. Got some small emboss caps, big emboss caps. Reynolds. Oh, Reynolds. Got some more caps, various caps. Some of these might be freebies. I think the Reynolds are freebies. I guess that's actually great. Reynolds caps is freebies. Um, I guess I do that for something here. Oh yeah, I do say Minion Kevin instead of Pen Modding World because I think Pen Modding World is kind of closed for now. She seems really busy with life. I think she's working two jobs, which is gonna really tough, like very long work days, which is basically why she's kind of very busy too, and why yeah. So and why she's also like selling a lot of shit around. But yeah, we got some caps. Let's go. Caps, caps, caps. CT, small emboss, big emboss. Yeah, white, red. Oh yeah. We got some more. We got some grips now. We got tornado grips. This might be a grip pack. I don't remember this. I might actually. Did I order this much black DGG? Some white DGGs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is this? Do you see this? Wait. What? I can't show it. But look, look. There's like this thing. It's like. See, look. Like it's like there's something here. A little bit, and it like flaps down. See, it like breaks off. But damn, this probably is one of her DGGs. Uh, and I guess that's just a little bit from like the molding. Nice. I got some tornadoes. I need those. I do need those. I do need those. Hell yeah. Great. Oh, we got ZW 1003 orange. I don't have an orange one, so this is I think a freebie as well. Thank you. Thank you, of course. Oh yeah. I definitely appreciate some of those. We got some wax. Hell yeah. Wax is kind of hard to get for me because from Taobao you can't ship out that stuff. So that's awesome. What is this? Oh, okay. We got the Memory S and we got the oh my gosh, gray Giotto Turbo Maxi. Look at the font there. Oh my, oh, the water spilled and I'm going to, okay, I am wet. But that's okay. I shouldn't have filled that so much water. My chair. Okay. We're going to we're going to ignore that. Bam. Giotto Turbo Maxi. The font is like wacky. I don't like this might be old Giotto or something, but oh my god. But it's just weird. Also the cap. Old Giotto, maybe? I never actually had an old Giotto. I guess I would call it old. I'm actually just gonna grab it. There we go. I ain't redoing. Okay. Left and right. There we go. Old Giotto. Very cool. I didn't expect an old Giotto. I don't know if I ordered that gray Giotto. I ordered a different color Giotto too, but oh, this might be it. Oh, I got, yep, blue. I need some of these. I need some of those blue. Let's see what the next item is. Oh, MNG. Okay, I know this grip is used in some grip cutting stuff. I'm not sure exactly what grip cutting stuff. I think Lacubo gel, whatever. Bam. I have one of these. And now I need another. I'm not too good at grip cutting, so I'll see what I can do with this. But that's a great freebie. That's a great freebie. Oh, hell yeah. We got some art colors. ACT's blues. You can't, you know, classic. I definitely need some more ACTs. I love the cap. So it's great to have some more of these. I don't know. I think these are freebies. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I was going to use the ACT for. Oh, we got some ST, just barrels. They're cleaned already. Oh my gosh, thank you. There's literally no markings up here too. Like, she cleaned these super well. She, like, wet them. She washed them out. That is amazing. Look at that. Wow. Oh, a brown Giotto Turbo Maxi. I forgot what I need brown for. I don't. That might have been a freebie as well. Just give me some leftovers. We got some white Eno Kamza barrels. Yeah. I think I ordered these for something. I should have yeah, ordered them. This might be the grip package. We got a lot of black any balls. Actually, no, I think I ordered these. Yeah. Oh, she got me the yellows. Bam, bam. Pinks, I think I didn't grab. A lot of blacks. A lot of blacks. I need to stock them in blacks. Black grips. Black any ball grips. Black any ball grips. I love them. I definitely, I think I use them. They're just very handy to have because they, black any ball, they come in so much mods. It's great to have. Yeah. Whoa, what is this? Super blue Kamza body? Huh. Yeah. Blue Kamza body. I will see what I do with these. Okay. Oh, Lacnox. 2 Lacnox. Yeah. Handy to have. I can't really get Lacnox locally. I usually have to like go to another city for those. So it's really nice to have some Lacnox spare, so I don't have to go. We got some orange, emboss. That's pretty cool. I think I still have some freebie of this from Eno. So it's kind of funny. I get to have some more, orange, which is good. Another spare emboss barrels. Hell yeah. I could just throw those on whatever mod. Oh, okay. Keyring. Oh, hell yeah. This is like old keyring, I think. So, hell yeah. With another gray body. Gray Giotto. Thank you. It's also the old one too. See, like the text. Yeah, the text is wacky. Very weird. Very interesting though. Keyring. I love keyring. My KT mod that I spin the most. This one, my first KT mod, is on keyring, and it is annoying that you have to stretch the cap, but it feels great. Thicker body, of course. Good length for me. Still probably one of my most spun KTs is my Keyring KT. And I don't think the cap's actually fully on, so it still has a little bit added length too. So yeah. Compared to like a Miffy KT, for example. What are these? Whoa. We got the iHow roller tip pens. I don't know what these. I think these are for something. I forgot what these were for, but guess I'll find out. I guess we'll see why. Probably maybe a G3 with a cap. Who knows? Back plug. Back plug is like round. Whoa. Cool. Cool pen. I will see what I get to do with these, but that's pretty interesting. We're only like, what, halfway? Very big. This package isn't as big as my first order, but it's packed. Wow. What did I just grab? These? Oh, some more caps and grips and wow. Okay, got my orange, one green. Green. I'm looking at these. Green, lime green, CT cap, 2 tornado grips, white any ball. Yeah, hell yeah. I forgot that I had these. White any balls. That's good. White CT, I think. Right? Let me check the other ones. I think, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. is the one without the dot, I think, right? Yeah. Legit is with dot. I gotta keep remembering. I gotta remember. Oh, we got any plus. Classic. Even better than, but classic. I need those. Great. Oh, there's my yellow Giotto Turbo Maxi pen. I definitely need she came in clutch with these. There weren't any black Giottos, I think. She let me swap out for these. Hell yeah. Very grateful for her for letting me do that. We got some, whoa, oh, I know what these are. Okay, so this is a white, it might be white something. Is it Kamsa? No, I don't think it's Kamsa. ST? Super tip? It looks like super tip. Yeah, okay, black super tip. And then this is, I think this is from like a Miniso pen. Water. Yep. Pretty great. They stopped selling these at my Miniso. So I'm actually it's pretty lucky for me to have this. Wow. You see, I can tell from the back plug. That seems like that's what I would guess. I'm not sure if it's exactly the Miniso pen, but yeah. Oh hell yeah, another yellow. Got the 2 yellows. Yeah. Giottos. Popular color. I need to stock up on that. Oh, 2 plastic G3s. I don't know if it what? Hell yeah. This is awesome. Plastic G3s getting such rare, I gotta stock up on those, you feel me? Whoa. This is some bullets, I think. And also a magnet. So you gave me some bullets, archery bullets, 4 set of 4, and then 2 magnets. What the hell? Never had magnets. That's pretty cool. I can use that for whatever mod that use magnets, like what, like the ninja mod. Yikes. Oh, okay, another Lacknock, and a Sarasa, old Sarasa. Oh, that saves me a trip. I was gonna actually make some mods with old black Sarasa. This actually comes in clutch. I don't remember ordering this, but hell yeah. They all come in plastic too, which is like feels like it's coming from like a shop. Cause well, she does have a shop, but they're all like perfectly sized for some reason. Wow. Ooh, okay, we got the blue text. This old emboss. Like the gray old emboss, I guess. Red. Black fog. Brown, full pen. Wow, that's awesome. Again, this is probably one of the. I don't really touch much old emboss like this, so it's like my second old emboss. That's awesome. Bam, more Kamsa. Yo, I ordered so much white Kamsa, but it's always good to have. Use as a connector, use as body. Bam, Donghae, real Donghae Kamsa, black. I needed some of these. I think I've been cutting up my legit Kamsas too much. Black, so I need to stock up on bodies because I want to make some mods with the black body, right? What is this? Oh my gosh. The random tip package. Holy, I got some. Okay, I got some. Whatever. I forgot the 12 mod tips. Let me check my. Let me check my. How much I paid for this? Tip 1288 CAD. Nice. For all of these, hell yeah. Vega, Airfit, Next Stage, Signos. Yeah, damn. Let's go. A high tech. HGR. Damn. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got two. Okay, I got set two. Alpha Gel. Very great value from this pack. Definitely great to have. Just a handful of extra tips around. I can use those for like personals and stuff, or, you know, I guess I'm gonna use the other mods too. I can make another Femboss with these Alpha Gels. Exciting. Okay, we got a black emboss, black. What is this? I don't know. I'm looking at the front tip, and I don't recognize it too much. Kamza? Is that what Kamza looks like? Huh. I guess it is Oh no, it's ST. It's ST. ST tip. So ST, black ST, black emboss. Of course, you know. Whoa, G1s. Whoa. Hell yeah. I could use some G1s. I love me some G1. I don't never really actually touched a G1 pen, so this is great. It's so awesome. Okay, I think that's everything. That's awesome. I found the tip package. I forgot what the various mystery box would be, but I guess that included this too. And all the other freebies. A lot of stuff for freebies. So much freebies. I don't know what the grip one is. I don't think this is the grip one. I think maybe the other one is the grip one. I don't know. Maybe one of these. But yeah, this is awesome. Very satisfied with my order. Maybe this is the grip one. But yeah, very satisfied with them. Yeah. I think that's everything. Make sure I didn't forget any like paper in here. Oh no. That's good. But yeah, great. Very satisfied with my mystery packs, especially the tip one. Wow, so much freebies, so generous. It was really cheap too. She gave me she literally like, I don't know. There was like, it was like she literally just like, oh whatever, I'll just give you all the price, and that's it. I'll just give you it all for blank something. It was really cheap. So that was pretty awesome. I'm very happy with it. I gave her a nice tip. I do think that maybe I don't know if she forgot anything specifically. I can double check. No, I got my tips. I got my yeah. Yeah, nothing really else. Except maybe yeah, I think that's everything. I think I got everything, except I think I had note fields, which I was supposed to have. But that's okay. That's okay. I would, that's okay. I wouldn't know. I would have forgotten to. I think it was, yeah, I forgot to put it on my list. Yeah. That's my bad. That's my bad on the note fields. But that's okay. Yep. That's it. Thank you guys. She got everything I wanted. Very satisfied with my order. I hope she does well. I hope she maybe she relaxes. She's working really hard right now. Very busy. I hope everything clears up for her. Everything goes good. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Very satisfied. More pens for me. Bye bye guys. I said that 3 times now.